Hello, I am Ann Vogt, and I am a Regional Curriculum Specialist with Minnesota Ag in the Classroom. There are a few of us around the state, and it is our job to connect you, educators, to incredible, hands-on, standard-based lessons that connect students to their food. One of the things we do is we have created monthly kits for you that fit a specific theme. In our kindergarten through second grade kit, this month we are focused all on pumpkins. In all of our kits, you're going to find a folder with our lesson plans and any other teacher resources that you are going to need. And then you're going to find all of the resources that you need to make your lesson successful. For example, in this kit, you're going to have a children's book. And then in this lesson, students are learning about the life cycle of a pumpkin. So we have, if I can get it out, all of the paper that you are going to need for your pumpkin, and yarn, paper plates, and because we know what your crayons look like, we've got orange and black crayons for you. If you are interested in getting a hold of one of our monthly kits or connecting with a regional curriculum specialist near you, head to our website, mn.agclassroom.org. Thank you.